A major discovery inside Bhitarkanika National Park has triggered fresh concerns about wildlife safety after more than 50 deer antlers were found scattered across the Dobandhi forest under the Rajnagar range on Friday. The sheer quantity of antlers and the condition in which some were recovered have raised suspicion of possible poaching activity in the protected area. According to initial observations, several antlers appeared to have fallen off naturally, which is a normal biological process for deer. However, some antlers looked as though they had been forcefully removed. This has led to fears that poachers may be active in the region, undermining the conservation efforts within one of Odisha's most important wildlife habitats. The Forest Department, however, has played down the concern, stating that deer naturally shed their antlers every year and the accumulation could simply be a result of seasonal shedding. Officials clarified that finding multiple antlers in forest interiors is not unusual. Despite the clarification, environmentalists and wildlife enthusiasts remain unconvinced.
ये जो खबर जो देखा जाउची जे 50 रु अधिक हरिण सिंह गोटे जगार पड़ी ये कथा अनेक दिग को इशारा करुछि कारण आकु जदि आमे शिकारी मानक कथारु देखिबा हरिण शिकार एपर्यंत संपूर्ण भाव में निषिद्ध होइछि भितरकनिका रे ये कथा केबे विश्वास करी हबो नाही एवं गोटे जगार हरिण मानकर सिंह आसी पड़िबा वन विभाग जहाँ सफाई दौ बा जी जहाँ कहतु यह केबे संभव नुह कहीं जंगल विभाग जदि भी सेठी हरिण सिंह गुड़ी को एकाठी रखी ये कथाटा कौन सी जगह तो मीडिया को दि जाई था जे आम एतिक हरिण सिंह रखिलु तांकर भी अच्छी आमर म्यूजियम अच्छी सेठी भी रखिपारे।